Nurses is something that I always wanted to do since I was a child, but never knew exactly what kind of nurse since there's so many types of nurses someone can be. As you can see in this picture, this pediatric nurse is assisting and reassuring her young patient, caring and making sure she is as healthy as she can be. As it appears, this girl is really happy with her nurse and the way she is being treated by her. You can also observe that the nurse really likes her job and she doesn't wake up every morning thinking she has to go work at some place she doesn't really like. But you can tell that she really enjoys and likes being around young children. In the second picture, the ICU nurse is measuring the amount of medication that is going to be inserted into the guy's body who was injured in a car accident and has asked for a pain shot to minimize the pain and swelling from the accident he just had a few hours ago. As you can see, there's also a nurse in the back next to the patient trying to reassure him, trying to help him get through the pain. Meanwhile, the nurse in the front is preparing the medicine that is going to be given. In this next picture, the two nurses walk into a room finding a patient that is unconscious. The first step to take is to perform CPR to the patient. Rescuer 1 is giving 30 chest compressions, while Rescuer 2 is giving the patient 2 breaths after every 30 chest compressions Rescuer 1 gives to the unconscious patient. The nurse watching is the same nurse who will need to grab an AED if the person still remains unconscious after being given CPR. Rescuer 1, the nurse who sent the nurse behind her to go get the AED, quickly comes back and activates the AED, and the patient is now conscious.